And then we send to dye the silk following the color of the client. If you touch, you can see the change.
Oh, yeah.
Is more soft, is more, yes, because we work the silk and we follow the exactly color that the client wants. So our strength is also to follow the request of the client. For example, if you want this kind of color or that kind of color, we receive the sample and then we try to make the silk with this color. For example, this kind of 3D dimension, the pattern, and we made this kind of the same fabrics that I showed you before, the museum that maintain the structure. The request of the client, but if you find 5 meters.